Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today I learn standard 10th English medium subject maths. In last lecture we have to discuss about exercise 6.4. Now start exercise 6.5. So start exercise 6.5. Before learn two important theorem related to exercise 6.5. First theorem is Pythagoras theorem and next theorem is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Both theorem are related to Pythagoras theory. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is apply only for right angle triangle. It means any one angle out of three is compulsory 90 degree. So now discuss about Pythagoras theorem. Is an important theorem asked in board exam or section D for 4 marks. So statement of this Pythagoras theorem. This question asks in a two way. One way direct asks Pythagoras theorem and another given statement in form of question. Heading Pythagoras theorem. First we have to write down data, means information are given in question, so is considered as a data of this theorem. Take statement similar of two triangles formed by the perpendicular to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex of a right angle. So figure can be drawn here 90 degree. So consider as a point D is represented right angle as a point B and point C. So triangle A, B, C, angle A is similar to angle B. Here angle C is similar to this angle A, B, D. Now take data. So data is considered as a right angle. It means triangle A, B, C is a right angle triangle and angle A, B, C is similar to angle B, C, D. Next statement, BD is a perpendicular to AC. AC is a hypotenuse of triangle ABC. So you get 2 points. So first we can write statement. You can ask directly this theorem, and another type is a statement. What is statement? So statement is in a right angle triangle. In a right angle, you can written down right angle triangle or also written down right triangle. The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of remains two side. Remains, or you can also written down other two sides. Next, 2 prove. What statement we can prove? So square of hypotenuse, it means in triangle ABC, AC is a hypotenuse, therefore AC square is equal to square of other two side. Remains two side is AB, therefore sum of square of two remains two side. AB and BC is also remains two side, so we can prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So let's start with proof. So you can start proof sentence, use also data. So given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, BD is perpendicular to AC, this statement you can written down in data is a also statement. This statement is say that. So let's start. AD is perpendicular to BC. Now triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, how we can say that? So this statement can be run. How we can say that this triangle is similar? So ADB, in ADB this angle is 90 degree. In similar way here triangle ABC, it means this angle is also 90 degree. It means similar angle D is equal to angle A. A is also used two times. So angle theorem, we can say that these two triangles are similar to. So by using angle theorem, we can say that this triangle is similar. So triangle are similar, we can ratio of their side. It means AD is similar to BC side, is also AB is similar to, sides are in proportion. Sides are in a proportional. So sides are proportional and angle are equals. Cross multiplication, therefore AD into AC is square AB square. क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे AB स्क्वायर चाहिए, तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे जो रेशियो ले रहे हैं वो AB जो साइड है वो 2 टाइम आ सके, ऐसा ही हम रेशियो ले रहे हैं. सो इक्वेशन फर्स्ट वी कैन गेट AD is similar divided by BD, AB divided by AC. This statement is completed. Now also another triangle, it means this triangle is BDC is similar to triangle ABC. हमने यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रूव किया एंड सेकंड पार्ट. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट के लिए हमने ABD लिया, तो ABD को सिमिलर किया ABC के साथ. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट हुआ इक्वेशन 1 के लिए. और फ्रेंड्स इक्वेशन 2 के लिए सेम मेथड अप्लाई करनी है आपको. In another triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC is also using angle theorem. How we can say that angle? So learn. BDC is similar to ABC. How? Angle. So angle D and angle B is a right angle triangle. Therefore angle D is equal to angle B. Next, angle C are considered as a both time. So is a common angle. Now we can take ratio. CD, last two statement, CD divided by BC and 2, एक जो पार्ट है BC यहाँ पे आ सके ऐसा लिया हमने, तो फिर से यहाँ पे CD divided by BC last टर्म ली and then BC first and last. So here AC, हमने यहाँ पे BC ले सकते हैं. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन में आपको BC स्क्वायर चाहिए, तो इस तरीके से हमने साइड चूज की. इस BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू CD इंटू AC, इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ये फिगर को अल्टरनेट फॉर्म में ड्रॉ करेंगे तो फिर से आपको डिटेल में समझ में आएगा. एंगल ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree and draw perpendicular on AC. It means this two angle is also 90 degree. same figure rotate. So we given this type of figure can be shown by equation 1 and 2 adding. It means equation 1 plus equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2, we get on right side AB square plus BC square, and left hand side AD into AC plus CD into AC. So common side is AC, therefore remains part is AD plus CD. So in figure AD plus CD, it means also AC. So AC into AC, AC into AC, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So finally statement can be proved. Right angle triangle square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Now move on next theorem. This theorem can be named converse of Pythagoras theorem. So converse of Pythagoras बोल सकते हैं, या तो फिर पूरा आपको एग्जाम में स्टेटमेंट आ सकता है. तो स्टेटमेंट, what statement can be asked in? So in a triangle if square of one side is equal to sum of the square of the two sides, then the angle opposite the first side is a right angle. In a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to sum of square of the two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. So this statement, in a triangle square of one side is equal to the square of other two side, then opposite first side is right angle. यानी कि आपको एक स्क्वायर दिया गया है, ऑलरेडी राइट एंगल है, therefore Pythagoras theorem can be applied. A, B, C. In next, this figure can be editing by himself. So this right angle triangle 90 degree, similar side. What is data? So written down in data, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This statement can be given, and we need to prove angle B is equal to 90 degree. It means to prove angle B is equal to 90 degree, and also we can write down right angle triangle. So let's start with proof. Construct triangle PQR. Construct triangle PQR when angle Q is equal to 90 degree, and also side PQ equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. So BC equal to QR and AB equal to PQ. Construct this type of sides. So now similar between triangle PQR is a right angle triangle, so we can applying Pythagoras theorem, we get PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square is equal to, in place of PQ we can use AB square and also use BC square, because PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC. We construct that, so applying this. Now PR square, so here in data AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So reason behind this is given, ये आपको ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है तो हमने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया. अब स्क्वायर निकाल के लिखेंगे PR is equal to AC. It means these two sides are equal. So let's now in triangle PQR and triangle ABC. So using triangle PQR and triangle ABC, three sides are equal. How can you? AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and PR is equal to AC. By using SSS theorem, it means triple side, all sides are equal. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by using SSS theorem. By using CPCT theorem, angle B is equal to angle Q, CPCT corresponding part of congruence triangle. So angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle B is also 90 degree. So ये स्टेटमेंट है जो हमने प्रूव करना था. अपोजिट साइड का जो हाइपोथेनस का जो अपोजिट एंगल है वो 90 डिग्री ऐसा आपको प्रूव करना था. तो हियर all four theorem are completed. Is very important for exam. It's a 4 marks. So Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras, it means do both statement can be given and before two theorem हमने जो लर्न किए थे वो तो प्रैक्टिस करनी है आपको. थैंक यू.